You know what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna keep this cup. I'm gonna go return it because this was $40. What's up? Welcome back to another video. It is the next day. It's 11 o'clock, March 27th, I think.
Today is Saturday, March 29th. By the way,
it's March, what? ¿Qué dijo? March 29th, Saturday. It's not Friday, it's Saturday. And I wasn't gonna vlog today, although I told you guys yesterday I was, but whatever. I'm going to vlog now. It is the morning time, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys one thing and one thing only. Do not buy hydro jugs. I was pumped yesterday or the other day for you guys because I don't know when I'm uploading this video compared to the last one. But you guys saw that I went to Dick's and I bought this cup yesterday for $40. On the sticker and stuff it says that it holds your ice for over 24 hours. It didn't even hold the ice for 12, baby, and it was melted this morning. My Stanley does a better job than that. So you know what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna keep this cup. I'm gonna go return it because this was $40 and it was already a pain in my heart to buy it for myself, but now that I know that it doesn't even hold ice and ice is a big thing for me, no ma'am, no ma'am, we're not gonna keep it. We're not gonna do that. And I'm hoping that they can give me my money. Well, they can return it because I called. I'm weird like that, and I called and I was like, hey, this was a gift. The person didn't like it and I want to see if I can return it. I already took off all the stickers. And they're like, yeah, of course you can bring it in and you return it or whatever. So I was like, okay, I'll be there in a little bit. So I definitely can return it, but we're gonna do some other stuff today also. She wants to go over to her friend's house. I want to go visit my cousin at work for a little bit because he has some demo thing going on also. So we're just gonna bring you guys along our day today too. All right, I feel a lot better than I did yesterday. So yeah, like I said, it's 11. I'm not gonna eat because there's gonna be food at my cousin's work. I'm gonna wait for Grecia to get out of the shower. I'm gonna change and we're just gonna head out, I guess. Damn, that's clothes that I need to fold. Oh, what happened to your floor? Cutie, let me see your outfit. Ooh, love it. And her bruise on her leg. All right, so we took off from the house already. I did my makeup a little bit. It's 12:17 already. I wasn't planning on taking off this late, but I started editing the video from yesterday and I got carried away, and Grecia was on her phone talking to her friends, and yeah, so we're hungry. We're headed to the demo now to get a little probadita of the food that they make there. And it's basically where they like test out grills and stuff for customers to buy. So the workers make like different types of foods that people can go get for free, basically. And my cousin's manager at the store, so he told me, he's like, y'all come and get some food or whatever. So we're gonna do that and then drop off Grecia at her friend's house while I go do whatever else is that I have to do. But look at how cute my kid looks right now. If I had her self-esteem, her, what is it called? I scratched myself here. Her confidence when I was her age, my life would have been a lot better growing up. But I hope and I pray that that never goes away because she just knows she's that girl. Even now, like as an adult, I could never. I like the cap. Who did it?
Mommy.
And the sunglasses too. They were $1. So of course I was gonna get them for her. Hello?
Who would it?
And then I also brought the cup so that I could take it back to Dick's to return it because heck no. Grecia just threw up right now. So we're gonna scratch her going to her friend's house today. The reason she threw up though was because of the antibiotic that I told you guys that I picked up yesterday. She did take it with some yogurt, but she doesn't have like a full meal in her tummy, so she got very nauseous. She gets car sick super fast. Yeah, so we're gonna just be here for a little bit, probably get something to eat if we don't get a lot here, because it's not like you can grab a full meal or anything, and then just go on about our day. I told her we could probably go to the pool later since it's like hot outside. We just have several things that we have to do today. Yeah, let's just get down. You feel okay now? Yeah. My poor baby. Okay, my dudes, really quick, we just left the demo. What's going on? So I bought a barbecue sauce that they use on the brisket that he makes, and it's the big green egg, which is a grill or whatever, but this is the Kentucky bourbon barbecue sauce, and oh my gosh, it is to die for. The drink I bought is this Mai Tai mixer. It's the one that I showed as soon as we got here. It is so good, and especially if we're gonna go sit by the pool right now, girl. It's a mixed drink, so I have to get like rum for it, so I'll probably get that at Walmart or whatever store we were gonna go to. It doesn't have to be like a fancy one or anything. So this is super good, and it's only $9.99. And yeah, and then he was also so kind to give us a plate of brisket as well, with some jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon. Yum. Oh girl, they smell amazing. You can also drink like that mixer by itself. You don't have to put alcohol in it. Like Grecia could totally drink it if she wanted to. I would just put like cherries and stuff. And honestly, that's probably what I'm gonna do, because I don't drink alcohol like that. That's weird, but if I wanted to, I could have. I'll let you guys know. But let's go to Dick's first. Let's go there.
I got hot.
Guys, this is a shoe that I wanted to get yesterday, but they didn't have it, and they have it today. Wow. So they don't have her size though, they just have a 3.5, but I'm gonna see if this one fits her, and if it does, I will come back and get these ASAP. We'll see what happens. They do fit her. Yeah, it's 956. No, did it. Guys, when I tell you that I am sweating chilly. Okay, so let me tell you guys what we just did. I went to Dick's. We went to Dick's, obviously, right? I was gonna return the cup because the cup freaking sucks, and then they were like, oh, I'm sorry, because you purchased it with your card, like we would have to issue the return and then send you your money back to your card, and that takes like 3 to 5 business days. My brain is, by the time that money gets put back, I'm not gonna have it anymore. Like, I'm gonna spend it. So I said, let me get her some shoes for the same price. So that's exactly what we did. I got her these shoes, and they're just regular black and white Nikes, right? Okay, while we're in the shoe section, mind you, we were here yesterday trying to find her the Sambas, right? Initially, I can't ever say that word. I wanted to get her, and I even told you guys that I wanted to get her the London Liberty, or Liberty London, these shoes, because these are the ones that I was after from the very beginning. And they, whoa.
Every vlog, the camera has 12 minutes right there.
I know. Okay, I dropped you guys. They so magically appeared today. As soon as we walked in, like boom, there they were. They were right there. And I was like, hello, what the heck? I want these. I want this exact shoe. So I asked the guy, do you have these in a size 4? Because she wears 3.5, 4. They tell me, no, this is actually the last shoe that there is, and this is a 3.5. So I tell her, I'm like, my girl, try these shoes on and tell me that they fit. They fit perfect, you guys, and she has wiggle room. They tell me that it's the last shoe that they have in store and online, like until the next shipment comes, which isn't until like next week or so. So then I was like, what can I do? And they're like, well, we can hold them here for you right now, but if someone purchased them on, oh, so mind you, I didn't have the yellow ones. Obviously those were at home, because my intentions were not to come return the shoe, because I didn't know that they had the Liberty ones. Like, can I go get them and then come back and return them, and you hold these for me? And they're like, yeah, of course, we can hold them, but if someone buys them online, like, they automatically go to the person who's purchasing them online. So I was like, no, let me haul ass, which I pretty much did, to go get them at home, the yellow ones, and then we came back to Dick's and I was able to do the exchange and whatever. We got them. I'm excited, she's excited. They're the cutest spring shoe ever. Now we're gonna go to Walmart next. Let's go to Walmart. Guys, we just got home. Look at everything I had to bring upstairs by myself. And also, I broke my camera. So now I'm vlogging on my phone. It still works, I just have to tape it. So I'm gonna take everything out of the bags, put everything on the counter, show you guys, change, get ready for the pool because it is so hot. I'm sweating and I'm ready to go downstairs. All right, my dudes, so we got ground beef, some carnitas, pork chops, chuck stew meat. I got 4 of these cheddar broccoli rice sides. These are the razors that I use. If not, I get razor burn, some bacon, eggs, this thing of cookie dough, some watermelon, guava nectar, soap, some shampoo, cereal. This is bread flour. I got a strawberry cake to make later, chocolate, because you know you can never have chocolate when you're on your Aunt Flo, tomato sauce, chili sauce, hot dog sauce, I'm sorry, 2 cans of green beans, strawberry frosting, this spray for the cakes, Pop-Tarts, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, 4 cans of corn. I got chile serrano, some cuties, tomatoes, pears, strawberries. I didn't get the alcoholic beverage that goes with this because, like I said, I'm not that much of a drinker, but I'm gonna drink them just like that by itself. And then I also bought some cherries to go with it. And then this is the meat that my cousin gave us. So many people. Is it cold? I put out to put in the shade here a little bit for our drinks. I'm gonna move it a little just so that I can lay right there. Ah, it is cold.
I want to lay on this. So bad. Oh, it's not that cold.
What? Oh my goodness.
Never do that.
I'm just gonna lay here and chill. I should have brought my sunglasses, I forgot them.
We're back from the pool, guys.
And Miss Ma'am got a little bit toasty. Nah, not really. Okay guys, so we just showered. Is your phone ringing? We just showered and I'm doing my nails because while we were in the pool, I started peeling off all my nails. I just finished making the brisket. Not making it. I put it in the microwave and I put some of this barbecue sauce in mine. And we're having our burgers right now. Alrighty guys, we just finished with dinner. I finished with my nails. I like them a lot. We're gonna go watch Wicked and we're gonna call it a day because I'm very tired. The sun definitely did something to me out there. It's already 8:30 on the dot. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna relax. I'm gonna finish editing the video tomorrow morning so that I can upload it Sunday morning or like Sunday lunchtime, hopefully. So that's when you guys are seeing the vlog from yesterday. And then this one, you should be watching it like next week or so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my vlogs with your friends and family so that my channel can keep on growing because I definitely want to try to be more consistent from here on out. So thank you so much, friends. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.